here's my dog, Bosco. Yeah, here's my dog. No, come here. Here's my dog, Bosco. He has a sock in his mouth. Get it out. Bosco T is a bad dog. He always chews on socks. Now he's grounded for 3 weeks. He chewed on my brother's football. And then he chewed on my sock. Yeah. Well, here are his paws. He chews on his paws. Now, he's licking my hand, and I don't know why. Now, here's his fur. He's very pretty. He's very, very pretty. Okay. Alright. Now, here's his ears. Oh, yeah. And here's my second video. Nobody has commented or anything yet, so I'm just waiting. Now, soon, I'm going to give him a bath. So, I'm going to have somebody tape that for me while I give him a bath. I'm going to put it on here, okay? Bye. Isn't he so cute?